So yeah, here it is. Just give me a second, I'll open something for you and then you guys can start. So what our agenda is, we have to make a flow chart to, okay, you do the easier question first. You have to make a flow chart to write like for a program that tells you whether a year whether a year is a leap year or not. Okay, you have to write a like एक फ्लो चार्ट बनाना है एक ऐसे प्रोग्राम के लिए जो आपको ये बताएगा कि कोई भी जो साल है वो लीप ईयर है कि नहीं है. करो, इसके लिए 5 मिनट हमारे पास. Okay, who's this? Prathna. Are you online?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I pronounce it correctly, na? Prathna.
Yes, sir. You have pronounced it right.
Okay. So, bacha, yeah, it is right. But no, sorry. I shouldn't say it is right. There are multiple things that you have to check when it comes to a leap year. It's not just if it is divisible by 4. Just so you know that 2000 is not a leap year. I'll show you. Calendar of 2000. February कर लेते हैं. Wait, yeah, there it is. 28. We didn't have 29 days that year. Okay, so we need to check. There are multiple statements that you need, like there are multiple conditions that you have to take care of. I'll show you the conditions, then do it. Leap year condition. Yeah. So any year that is evenly divisible by 4 is a leap year. For example, 1918, 1922, 1996 are leap year. However, there is a small error that must be accounted for. To eliminate this error, Georgian calendar stipulates that the year that is divisible by 100 is not a leap year. Okay, this is because they are evenly divisible by 100 but not by 400. What the hell? Oh, okay. So if a number is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Whether like if the number is not divisible is divisible by 100 only, then it's not really leap year. So but basically 1600. Okay, the following years are leap years. Sorry, my bad. 2000 was supposed to be a leap year. Okay, so three conditions are there. You need to take care of all these three conditions. Yep, exactly, तुषार, ऐसे होगा बेटा ये. तुषार एक गलती हो गई. डिविजिबल बाय 4 यस, डिविजिबल बाय 4 ओके 100. ओके, डिविजिबल बाय 100 होगा तो वेट 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 वेट, डिविजिबल बाय 100 नहीं है तो सही तुषार. Fun fact: before I started teaching this particular course, I didn't knew that there are multiple conditions. Even like I used to do it like divide by 4 only. Once I gave this question, someone came up with this kind of flowchart, and I was like, what are you doing? So he was like, sir, college में ऐसे ही कराया था. I was like, okay. I checked and then I found out that it is like that only. Over, guys. Guys, other people are not doing it, kya? Only like I just got like one, two, three, four responses on the group. So can you say leap year if it's a 360 it ends 365? No, beta. I'm just giving you like the input in this case will be just the year number. So no, it's not about the days. What about other guys? Why aren't you doing any exercises? Like there's a reason I'm giving these. the hell? Okay, let's move forward. But guys, if you guys come up with this, like if you guys have any doubt in this, in that case I'm not gonna solve it. If you guys are not replying on the group, I'm okay if you reply. Yeah, if your answer is not correct, I'm okay with that, but this is not done. If you wanna be like this, okay, let it be then. Okay guys, so whosoever is doing it, one last question for the same. You need to make a flowchart for a program that will give you a tax that a person will be tax the person need to pay based upon their salary. So the input in this case will be the salary, and the output will be the tax, like the tax amount. Okay, or I should say this thing, the taxable, this taxable income. No, sorry, the total tax. Okay, the tax amount actually. So here are the slabs that are there based upon the salary. If the salary is less than 2.5 lakhs, you can say your tax, you don't have to pay any tax. If the salary is more than how much hmm, more like in between this part, then this will be the one. If it's in between 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs, this will be the one. Okay, so based upon that you need to make a flowchart. Do it. Last question for a flowchart specifically. Tushar, you have made it for just one slab, like this second slab itself.
Yes, sir.
आपको सबके लिए बनाना है, तो सबके लिए मत बनाओ. 1 2 3 4 5 ये 12 यहाँ तक नॉर्मल बनाना, 7.5 तक. उसके बाद अबव 10 में चाहिए वाला कर दो, जो 30% वाला है. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
ठीक है सर.
Other people aren't doing it. Pardon?
कर रहे हैं अभी.
करो बेटा. Good job, Pratna. 0.05 into प्रार्थना जो सेकंड वाला है, the second one you wrote income is equal to or income like all of these you wrote income equal to 2.25,000 sorry 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. It should be income more than 2.5 lakhs but less than 5 lakhs, like all of these.
Okay, sir.
You got the point, na? It's a slab.
Yes, sir.
मुस्कान सही है बेटा. Same goes with this guy. Okay, nice. तुषार सही है बेटा. Enter income. Income is कौन है बच्चों? केशव थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया बेटा, थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली बहुत सारा गलत हो गया. गलत हो गया बेटा थोड़ा सा. तो सिर्फ एक स्लैब का किया है, उसको ठीक से नहीं किया. Okay, so this is done. This concludes our flowcharts and basic of programming. Okay, Muskan, I'll do one thing. Actually, I got a updated list of your mail IDs and all, like verified list. I'll upload all the 3 classes by like tonight also, tonight even only. Okay, so after that you can look at those videos. Okay, so as I said, it concludes our flowcharts, basic of programming and everything. Now we will be going for your, just a second, you need to, yeah, we need to start with the basic functions. So ideally the first thing that we will be doing is strings. Okay, strings are let's say we want to make a identifier, or just if we have done C, we have to make a variable. So apparently in C, C++, Java, everywhere you have to tell the system what kind of variable it is. Whereas as we discussed in the first class, in Python we don't have to do that. We just have to tell the system, okay, this is the variable. The system will take care of the type of the variable itself. So the first type of variable that is there is string. Okay, string is an alphanumeric sequenced element, sequence type. Okay, I have written 2 words here, alphanumeric and sequenced. Alphanumeric is, it has alphabets, also it can have numerics, it can even contain symbols. Sequenced is something like we give the system, we tell the system, okay, this comes at this position, this comes at this position. So the system will not do the random positioning itself, it will just follow whatever we have given. Okay, now how do we initialize a string? Let's say I have to, if I want to give the variable name, just give me a second guys, I need to check one thing first, whether you can, no, not this. Yes, so before we initialize a string or any data type or any variable, we need to understand what is a identifier. Okay, Any ideas, guys? What can it be? Identifier. Guys, anything? गलत बोल दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
ऐसा लेबल एक आइडेंटिटी जो कि उसकी क्लास, ऑब्जेक्ट की क्लास या उसका कोई यूनिक ये बता सके.
कह सकते हैं लेकिन हाँ मतलब ये हम बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निकल चलेगा तुषार. Keyword that identify objects. Prathna, yes, but if I have to tell you guys this thing in a layman, it's nothing but a name. That's it. Let's say if I am creating a variable x is equal to 50. So as of now, the variable x, the x thing, this is an identifier. Okay. Is it clear? This is a identifier, nothing else. Identifier is just the name. That's it. Basically, identity we have given to a storage unit, and what we have stored in that, it's a totally separate matter. So the identity we have given to a storage. As of now, the storage x have the value of 50. Okay. So we have some rules around identifiers. We can use a to z, comma a to z, the smalls, 0 to 9, and underscore. That's it. We can use just these elements or characters there. We cannot use any other symbol except the underscore. Okay. Also, the second rule that is there is identifier cannot start with a number or a this thing. No, actually it can just not start with a numerical. Okay, like let's say if I have 9x is equal to 85, this will give me, if I run this one, this will give me a syntax error. Okay, syntax error. Whereas if I give this will run fine. Okay, is it clear, guys? Only two rules are there for this thing. Is it clear? No sir, नो बोला, यस बोला बेटा. बेटा तू धीरे बोल रहा है, मेरे लैपटॉप की आवाज़ इस टाइम कम है. ओके, so the first identifiers are, I guess it is done. Then comes your keywords. So keywords are basically the words that are reserved by Python. For example, if I write for or in, I'll comment it out after a while. Is, sorry, loop run होएगा. While, except. If I use these words, in that case, as I said, these are nothing but they are basically taken by Python, like this also, print. So these words are taken by Python. We cannot use them as an identifier. Okay, I cannot make a something like this. For is equal to 85. Print for. It will not work for me. Invalid syntax. Okay, do one thing. I'll send a list of keywords on the group. Okay, false, true, like this thing also true, but we'll learn more about this thing when we go for data types. Okay, so these are the keywords. We cannot use them in the system. Then comes your operators, sorry, not operators, your constants. So constants, as per in Python, we don't have any way to define a constant, but we have a convention that we use. एक तरीका है जिसको हम हमेशा यूज़ करते हैं. तरीका ये है कि the way of doing this is we use all capital letters. Let's say I want to do some, like, define something constant. Let's say pi. So I will be using a constant letter, like, sorry, capital letters in that case, to signal the developer who's like also developing with me or who's also working with me that this is a constant, you shouldn't touch it. Okay, so because we as a developer, we have to work with multiple people at one time. So in that case, if I am writing something in a code, I need to tell the other person by the, like, sometimes even by only by the code itself, that if I am doing something, why I am doing that. Okay, so sometimes we add comments to it like this, like I have been adding hash, and then whatever I am writing, it will not be taken into the system. Whereas for constant declaration, we don't have something, we don't have a keyword or something like that, we don't have a function. But what we do, we create it as a, like, we just write the words as capital letters. Both of them are uppercase letters as of now. Okay, so this will basically signal the developer that okay, whatever I am doing, I have kept this thing as a constant, don't touch it. Okay, is that clear, guys? Okay, okay, so now we will be going for operators. So for operator side, we have arithmetic operators, we have comparison operators, and like we have different type of operators when it comes to operators. Operators होते क्या हैं? Like yesterday when we were doing it, and I asked you, sir, do you guys knew modulus, and you were like, yes sir, we knew. So yeah. Operators are nothing but they are usually used with numbers. Okay, so although we started with string, but we have drifted towards numbers, integers and all. So I'll do one thing. Oh no, actually I'll just show you how operators work. operators, sorry. Okay, the first kind of operators are arithmetic operators. Okay, they are as simple as plus, minus, multiply, divide. Like I can assume you guys know these. Then comes the modulus, floor division, and at last exponential. So let's say we have two numbers, a is equal to 9, b is equal to 8. Let's say we also have c is equal to 15. Okay, so I'll just print a, sorry, print down, print a star b, where is it goes, sorry, plus, minus, divide. Okay, just like this. Let me run this. Oh, kya? Oh, sorry. Okay, you can see over here I got the outputs. So to give a output, we can normally write print. We also have a return statement that we'll be doing after a while. So a, b, c are here. Now there are three more. The first is modulus. So modulus gives you the remainder. Okay, as of now, if I divide 9 by 8, the remainder that I will be getting will be 1. So a modulus b will be 1. Okay, whereas b modulus c will be 0, but c modulus b will be 7. Okay, print c modulus b, print a modulus b. Okay, 7 1. Okay, modulus, it works like this. Then comes the floor division. Floor div. So let's say I divide 15 by 8. My answer will be something around 1.8, na? So 1.85. The output that I'll be getting in the, like if I go for C double C floor division B, the output I'll be getting is 1. And if I okay, I'll just show you. So what does this mean? C B, I'll just do D is equal to 45. Print क्या था D B. Basically I am getting the quotient, the last quotient that I can get. Okay, like quotient as in like, okay, I shouldn't say quotient here. Basically, let's say if the output is 3.15 or 16 or even 3.99999, the output I'll be getting will be 3. Okay, so that's how floor division works. The last is exponential. It's nothing but power. So 9 raised to power 8 is 430474671 quite a big number. Okay, any doubts guys?
Can you refer flow division?
Yeah, so float division is basically, let's say, give me two numbers, any two numbers.
10 and 20.
यार अच्छे नंबर थे, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे कर एक दो नंबर को. Let's say 10 and 21. Okay, 21 by 10 will be 2.10. Hello, हेलो, कौन था ये? हाँ हाँ, तुषार. 21 by 10 will be 2.1. After that, let's say I don't want to get a number with a decimal. I just want the number less than that. Like the number less than that will also work for me. So 2.10 will be 2. Like any number, even in this case, if 29.9 divided by 10 करेंगे, तो that will be 2.99. Okay, and if I go for floor division, in that case the output will be 2 only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts guys?
So I'm having a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So when to use single slash and double slash method, sir? Because
Double-
both returns the quotient value, right? So when is there any specific conditions
No.
to be making use
I
of slash and double slash?
I just, like, at that time only I corrected myself. When I said quotient, I retracted that thing. Think it like this. Let's say the output you want it to be a whole number. You cannot afford it to be a integer or something with a decimal. Okay, rational number you cannot have there. In that case, you will be using a floor division. If you just want a division value, in that case you will be using a single division, like single slash.
Okay, sir.
That basically what double slash does, it just take it back to the number that is lower than that. Okay, yeah. Any other doubts guys? Okay, you guys have 3 minutes. Try all of these once by yourself. Start writing the code now, because you have to write the code. Ranjan, you don't have to do it in a command side, command prompt. You have to write a script for that. You can write a script for that, and you don't need to send the code. These codes for to me. Okay, just check whether your answer is right or not, and that's enough. Okay. Is it done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, is there anyone who's trying, still trying? So that these were your arithmetic operators. After that we have comparison operators. The first comparison operator is equal to equal to. I'll tell you. Okay, yeah, I'll just actually I should. First of all, the output that comparison operator gives is a binary output, that is true or false. Like it will just give these two only, because if we are comparing something, either it is more than that, or either it is less than that, or either it is equal to that. Okay, there cannot be a second, like third output that can be there. So based upon the thing that, like the operator that we use, a second, built-in function int print minus just okay, Prathna, you cannot write print minus a modulus b.
Yeah, it was an error, sir. Like, I made a typing error, sir.
Yeah, I'm just telling you. You sent sent it on the group now, bacha. Okay, so comparison operator gives true and false. So the first comparison operator that is there is equal to equal to. Okay, I'll just do one thing. 15. Now my C and D is the values are equal. So A equal to B. If I write this and if I wanna print it, like the output of this thing will be either true or either false. So as of now it will be true. Sorry, wait. Okay, A or B कर दिया, sorry यार. C and D, my bad. So as of now it will be true. Initially it was false. Okay, all the comparison operator works like this. So let's say A and B I have writing. If I want to check whether these two things are equal or not, in that case we use this not equal to. Okay, so it's gonna give you true this time. Okay, then comes greater than. Yeah, as of now A is greater than B na. So if I do this greater than B, true, less than B will be false. Okay, yes, okay, then comes greater than, sorry, less than equal to false. The thing is, the thing you need to know about control Z, sorry, C D. Okay, C is less than D. Whether it is right or wrong, it's a false one actually. So we normally write it like this if we want to include it in the system. So equal to, less than equal to, or more than equal to. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then we have logical operators. Logical operator, sorry, spelling mistake. Logical operator, we have and, or, and at last not. What the hell? Okay, and, or, and not. The first thing that is there is and is used like when we have two different comparisons or anything comparisons actually, and we need to know whether both of these statements are correct. Okay, and gives true when both of the statements are correct, otherwise it will give false. Okay, let's say A is more than B, print A is more than B and B is less than C. true. Let's say if this statement I make it wrong, in this case I will be getting false. Okay, whereas in the case of or, even if one statement is correct, in that case I'll be getting true, and I'll be getting false if both of the statements are wrong. Oh, sorry. Okay, so or and not basically reverse the result. I'm getting false right now. Now I'm getting true. Okay, so this was about the comparison, the logical ones. We also have two more that we call sometime membership or identity operations. Membership or identity. Okay, let's say print b is 8. If b is 8, in this case it will print true, whereas if b is something else than 8, it will print false. But as of now b is 8 actually, so it will be printing true. Let's say now it will now as I changed the b, b is 8, but I am asking the system whether b is 9, so it will be giving false. Okay, and for like reverse kind of thing, in that case we use is not. For if I use the is not, it will be giving true. Okay, normal English, nothing extraordinary. Okay, then comes the membership function that I was talking about, and it is your in. Okay, actually this is an identity function, like this is the identity function that I wrote. Now I'm coming to the membership function, that is your in. So how the in works, let's say I have a sequence. uh, yeah, I'll do one thing, I'll hold on the membership function in, and I'll explain it to you once we go for the strings. Okay, we just have the last type of like the assignment operators. But before going there, just try these operators once. I'll write it: logical operator and or, equal to, less than, more than, less than equal to, sorry, more than equal to. Okay, try all of these. You guys have 7 minutes for that. The last thing that we have to do is the assignment operator. Done. The last thing, assignment operators. There's one more kind of operators, although bitwise. That we'll be doing that after a while. Okay. So we all know, let's say f is equal to d plus 12, let's say. Okay, I'll print f (27). We have d equal to 15. Okay, so this equal to is a assignment operator. Then we have, let's say what, c plus equal to 12. Okay, print c 27 again. Apparently, what does it mean? It means c is equal to c plus 12. When we are updating a certain value by adding something to it, or multiplying something to it, or subtracting something from that, in that case we can use the operators like this: minus equal to, plus equal to, okay, multiply equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to, floor division equal to, exponential equal to. Okay, is it clear, guys? Like, this is one of the, like, I should say, important ones. Plus equal to, minus equal to. Do one thing, all of these, like, use all of these like that: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, and this divide equal to, modulus equal to, floor division equal to, exponential equal to. Use it once like that. क्या नाम है इसका, प्रार्थना, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बेटा, प्रिंट. Okay guys, is it done? Is it done guys?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So I guess that's it for today guys. Let's meet tomorrow, same time. By tomorrow you'll get the access for the folder in which all the recordings will be there, and also the access for the meeting. So you'll be getting a new link. Okay, sir, please repeat again assignment operators. Assignment operators, Vikrant, what's the issue with the assignment operators? Like which part didn't you understand?